Have you ever wanted to dance ballroom and Latin, but have never taken any classes or lessons? Or can you already dance, but just unsure how to practice at home? If so, then you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Greco. I'm a professional ballroom and Latin dancer. I've been dancing from the age of 7, so about 30 years now, and I run a dance school called Greco's Dance. I've competed all over the world, from Spain to Ukraine, and in the 3 decades that I've been dancing, I picked up many tips on how to get the best technique. I'm going to be sharing my dancing tips with you over a series of videos. Whether you can already dance or if you're a complete beginner, it's going to be something for everyone. In these videos, I'll be going over all of the ballroom and Latin dances, from routines to technique. So if this is something you would be interested in, please hit the like and subscribe button. And please leave us a comment and let us know how long you've been dancing, where you're from, if there's something that you would like to see in these videos. And I'll see you in my next video. That I want to share with you guys. No! It's not good this weekend. Right. So we stop the video. On how to get the best technique. Get the best technique. Okay. I want to share it with you.